maybe your question is where we can use a tuple, because it's very similar to list. So you don't use tuple much in Python code, but usual example when you can use it is RGB color. Maybe you know that. So it means if you want to create some color, it's mixed. This color is mixed from these three colors: red, green, and blue. So it means every color should be between 0 and 255. So it means RGB, like R, it's mean red is between 0 and 255. Green again between 0 and 255. Blue again between 0 and 255. So if you would like to create some color, it can look like, for example, like this. Okay, so we have three numbers. The first number is how much red color is there, how much green color is there, and how much blue color is there. So you can see that there is lots of blue color. Okay, so it means this color will be very similar to blue. Okay, and in this case, you from these colors, red, green, blue, you can mix whatever you want. So it means, for example, orange, purple, pink, and so on and so on, and of course red, green, and blue as well. Okay, so if you would create something like this, so it means 255 items or pieces of red color. So it means it will be red, because green and blue are 0. Okay, if you create something like this, so it will be green. Okay, totally green. And if you create something like this, it will be blue, red, green, blue. So blue is 255, red and green are 0. Okay, if you create something like this, it's black. Okay, black color. And the opposite, what do you mean? It's this is white. Okay, and everything between can be whatever you know. So pink, red, green, whatever you think up. Okay, so every color. Perfect. And in this time, this is something what is very similar to tuple, and it's very suitable for tuple. Why? Because if you use tuple for the color, so the color can looks like, for example, color, and it will looks like this, for example. So it means the tuple is perfect for it, because you can put there another item like this. Correct? So it means it's perfect, because this doesn't make sense. So you only need three numbers to create a color. So why 4 numbers? It doesn't make sense. Okay, and it's perfect because tuple, or you can't add another item to the tuple. So it's great. If you create some color, you don't want to change it. So it means the tuple is perfect, because we saw that you can change these numbers. Okay, so that's why tuple is perfect if you, for example, create a color in RGB format.